Look, 3 birds. 2 females and 1 male. There goes the male. There's 2 females now. Idiots! The door is down below. Apparently the male is the smart one now. Get your butts out that door. I'm really telling you. They have brains the size of ants or less. I mean, they can't even remember how to get in the cage. Right through here. You see that? And we're just, what? And they're eating all the bunny's food? Yeah, we had to put the bunny in there because I guess the ants were trying to eat his food or something. And now the birds are. Hey, it's a hot sun. Oh, look. That must be the mother, the female mother, and this must be the female daughter or something like that. There goes the mother. Hey, follow your mother. You're being a clown. And you're hot. Hey, yeah, you're really hot. Look at that. Go down. Down, lower. Lower. Oh, man, you're being stupid, just like your dad. I don't know if that's a compliment, you know, but for some people it ain't. Lower. The door is right there. Man, you're stupid. There you go. You got loose. Woo! She went in the other bunny cage. Oh, the poor thing. Yeah, that must be a kid.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it's a kid. The poor kid. Man. There she goes. Bye. She goes right over there.